Determine the hose inside diameter. This can frequently be found in the lay line of the hose. Measure the hose free OD with a diameter tape. Free OD is the hose outside diameter before the stem is inserted. Our example hose has an OD of 2 30/64. On the boss clamp page of the current Dixon catalog, locate the hose ID column. Within that column, locate the corresponding section. Our example hose is 2-inch ID. 2-inch hose requires a 2-inch clamp. Do not mix and match sizes. Locate the hose OD column. The from is the clamp's minimum range. The to is the clamp's maximum range. Locate the OD range that best fits the hose OD just measured. Our 2-inch ID hose with an OD of 2 30/64 requires the use of a BU-28 clamp. If the hose OD is at or close to a clamp's minimum or maximum range, the type of hose and the construction of the hose may determine the best clamp. Environmental compatibility or conditions may require a clamp made from stainless steel or brass.
Dixon, the right connection.